Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am here just going for a morning walk at my village where I live in Greece. It is about 6:45 in the morning right now. This is my normal routine every single morning pretty much, just going somewhere. I hope you all are doing well. It's been a little while, I know. And as I'm walking here, I'm probably going to be paying attention mostly on the road because, you know, I've been here for several months now, and one of the things that I forgot is how many wild critters there sometimes are passing through the road here, like snakes, scorpions, that sort of thing. So, yeah. But everything is going well. I've been here for almost 5 months now, and everything is slowly coming together. I know it's been a little while since I've been active on the channel, and you know, life just kind of took over. Initially, I was just looking to just take like a week off or two, and a couple weeks I should say, because I was kind of averaging about a video a week at the time. So I just needed a couple weeks off, and then 2 weeks turned into a month, 1 month turned into 2 months, that sort of thing, and I just kind of took a much longer break than I was initially expecting. And you know, lately I've been kind of getting the, I guess you could say, urge to kind of get back into this channel. This is the cemetery here where a lot of the locals, most recently my dad. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update here. I'm gonna go sit at this bench here for a little bit. I absolutely love this view. It's just so peaceful, so amazing. All you can hear right now is the birds chirping, the occasional rooster. Yeah, so the sun is about to come up right over there, over the mountains, and in just a minute here. I absolutely love it here. It's beautiful. I haven't quite decided exactly how long I'm gonna stay here. You know, my initial plan was to maybe come for about a year, but who knows? It could be a few months. It could be a year. I haven't quite decided as of yet, but I absolutely love it here, and have really no desire at this point to go back, even though I do miss certain things about my home back in the States. But the peace that I get here and just the way I feel health-wise, it can't be beat. I mean, the food is just so much better in my opinion. It's more healthier. I have my own garden here. I did kind of back home as well in the United States, but over here it's a proper garden. I mean, I got a bunch of stuff in there, and everything seems to grow really nicely. It's nice to have all the fresh produce, and just the food is just so much healthier in my opinion. So yeah, as I mentioned, I have been getting the urge to get back into posting on the channel more frequently, and I've actually started to do a few personal sessions, and I can't tell you guys the amount of activity that I'm getting up here. It's crazy. It's almost like a constant conversation. The only you know, real problem that I have, or challenge I should say, is that I don't have my portal with me. Like I said, I wasn't really sure how long I was going to stay here, so I didn't really bring anything. I just brought a couple small spirit boxes, my PSP-7 Pro, my hack jack, my small PSP-7, my digital recorder. That's essentially all I brought. And you know, I have been kind of thinking about whether I should actually build a portal here or not, but as of this moment I haven't done so. But yeah, just with the spirit boxes, it's just incredible, like the amount of activity, and there's so much to this place. This is a very old location that I live in. There's just a lot of history here, a lot of old buildings. I've already been approached to do a session at certain locations, so that's another thing that's actually pulling me to actually post more often. Is, you know, certain people are wanting me to investigate their locations, and also a lot of you know, I really appreciate the support, by the way, over the last couple of years. I appreciate you guys sticking with me and being patient. It really means a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and complete my walk here and maybe show you guys around a little bit as well. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up where I'm at, that sort of thing, what my plans are, etc. So let's go for a walk. Yeah, behind me here is the local cemetery. This is where my dad has been laid to rest, and many of my other relatives as well. Coming up to a big hill over here. This is where I start to get my cardio workout. But yeah, I absolutely love it here. I love everything about this place. I grew up here, and I would come here on and off, you know, during the year, I should say, because I lived mostly in the cities, in Athens and in another city in western Greece. I would come up here a lot of times alone. Just take the bus and actually come up here and stay at my home, which was like the original home at the time. It was very old. We've since basically rebuilt the house. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it right there for now. I'm just going to go ahead and finish my walk, and I hope to see you all very soon. Just stay tuned, stay patient if you can. Support the channel, spread the word. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.